the founder of FieldsMaster. Thank you for watching this short behind-the-scenes video. Every year, July and August are our busiest months. During this time, our production volume increases significantly due to a high number of orders from our long-term and new clients. Normally, our lead time is around 7 to 14 days, but during our peak time, it may extend to around 20 days. We understand this can raise some concerns, especially for new customers. That's why we want to show you how we handle your orders, even in the busiest time of year, with the same care, efficiency, and attention to detail as always. In this video, you will see real-time footage from our production and shipping departments. From quality control to final packaging and delivery, we make sure every order is completed to the highest standard. And at FieldsMaster, we don't compromise on quality, not even in peak season. Thank you for choosing us, and thank you so much for your trust.